So, where exactly is Nurturing Nature Massage Plus? Our new location is 2829 County Highway I, Suite 3B, inside Dove Healthcare Rehab and Regional Event Center, South Building, 3rd floor. Turn between Wissota Place and Wynn Dentistry. Continue straight until you reach Dove Healthcare South Building. Turn right to park in the customer parking in front of the main entrance. Enter through the 2 sets of glass doors and continue forward to the elevator. Take the elevator to the 3rd floor, exiting on your right. Take a right again at the desk. Pass through the double doors and into our new wing. We look forward to seeing you and nurturing your health needs naturally.